Alright, YouTubers, I appreciate y'all still tuning in with me. This is clip 5 or 6. So, we've come a long way here. As you can see, there wasn't a whole lot to this. It's pretty simple as following the instructions here with getting your piece here, and then this piece right here slides over this piece here. And so what you'll do is you'll put this piece on, screw it in, drop this piece, take your two R pieces, which are these two small pieces that are right here, and you'll screw that to your board that's got the slit in it. And then once you put the two pieces, the two R's on, and you'll make sure that the windows are down and that molding's up to the top here on both sides. Screw it in, and then put this, you slide this piece over this piece, and there's 4 screws at the bottom. I'm gonna tell you, you got to pay a little bit closer attention here, because the screws back here, you see one screw here, one screw hole here, one screw hole here. But these two right here